there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an ice cream tower. So here you can see that I'm using my brown pen to draw the ice cream tower. At the beginning I'm drawing the cone. Now I'm coloring it with a pale orange color. Now I'm drawing the first cube of ice cream. To do that, I'm using my yellow pen. Okay, now for the second layer, I'm using brown pen. And for the third one, I'm using my pink pen. I'm using my yellow pen again. Now for the last one, I'm using my pencil. I'm using my red pen to draw a cherry. I'm using my red pen again to draw some sprinkles. Now I'm using my green pen. This time I'm using my pink pen. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using yellow pen. On the top of that, I'm using my yellow colored pencil. Now I'm using my pink colored pencil. Now I'm using my brown colored pencil. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.